Welcome guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jish and today we are going to be out riding the GS250. Now, if you're wondering why the audio is so good and you don't expect it to be so good, this is because this setup right here is trash. Do not try this. If you're trying to look for motovlog settings and know-how, this is not the way to do it. But anyway, I thought I'd just narrate over it just because the message is still going to be the same. We're still going to go for a nice ride out. And yeah, let's have some fun. So basically, the reason I'm making this video is because I want to reconnect with you guys. I really want to let you know what's going on with the channel, what's going on in my life, and what's to come, basically. Because as you know, there hasn't really been much content. But before we go any further, I'd like to say thank you to the sponsors of today's video, and that is Rock and Flying Eyes Optics. Now, Rock, they have been a long-term partner of this channel, and we've created some wonderful content. I love their helmets, I love their lids, and as you can see me wearing one right now in this video, this Berserker is one of my favourites, but the Atlas 4.0 are absolutely incredible. And as of making this video, they're offering a 10% discount using the code JISH10. Go and check the link down below. And Flying Eyes Optics, the newest sponsor. As you probably saw in my last video, they make some incredible glasses. They have really thin bezels, about 1mm thick. You can bend them without even snapping. They fit really well under a helmet, that's what they're made for. Super comfortable, super quality, and to be honest, probably the best pair of glasses I've ever owned. They are also offering a 10% discount, so go and check them out. They are some really cool guys. Now, some of you are probably wondering where have I been, what I've been up to, because obviously the videos have been lacking on this channel, and there's a very good reason why. Yes, I do have 2 builds in the pipeline, and yes, I do plan on starting them very soon, and the reason I haven't yet is because I'm moving workshop once again. Yes, in the next few weeks, I will be moving workshop. I know it's only been like a year since I moved into that workshop, but there's good reason. So believe me when I say this is going to be a really cool space. I mean it's going to be a cool space. Don't get me wrong, I absolutely love this workshop and I loved what I've managed to do in it. But trust me, I'm really looking forward to what's to come. So as soon as I'm settled in, I'm going to be building those bikes, don't you worry. If you're wondering what I'm shaking my head at, these 2 kids right here, just about to head down to the motorway. It is a terrible idea, children. Do not do this. As for other things going on in my life, some of you may know that I've since become a videographer since starting this channel. About a year ago, I decided to go full-time with my content creation, and it's been one of the most rewarding and stressful things I have ever done. I've met some really wonderful people, I've worked on some really cool projects, both on my channel and in my videography business. So if you didn't know, I make videos for other people too, and I won't lie, that's got very busy very quickly, and I have been thriving in it. I won't lie, that's where the money's been, that's why I've been drawn to doing that more so, and with the cost of living crisis, I'm not going to turn down the work, am I? But yeah, I do plan on finding a really nice balance between my YouTube and my work life and bringing content from all genres of what I do. Don't get me wrong, it is really hard work, but I love what I do. And if it wasn't for you guys, I would not be doing this as a career. So I really have you to thank for letting me have this career. But yeah, as you can see in this video, I'm riding my GS250. I am absolutely loving it. It's such a nice, comfortable bike to ride. Some of you really moan about the thickness of the seat, but I tell you what, unlike my CB125, it is really, really comfortable. Yes, the CB125 is unbearably comfortable, and I can understand with how thick that seat is. This one's still thin, but oh my god, it is properly comfortable. But all the journeys I've taken so far, I have really enjoyed, and I've not been in any discomfort. I do apologise about the black thing in the corner of the screen. That is part of my audio setup, which again sucked. So please don't copy me. And if you're wondering what about the camera on the front of my helmet, this was the view it got to. Yeah, I'm not really clued up for doing motovlogs, and I will try and improve. But here we are, we move. I also want to ask you guys, what do you want to see on the channel other than the builds, other than these updating videos? And basically, I just want to bring you guys some really cool content that you want to see, that you would enjoy watching, whether it be different types of videos or anything in between. You let me know, comment down below, and I will be listening. Right now I'm on the way to a meeting, and I can't wait to share with you some of the content we're going to be making. I do plan on filming some more motovlogs, so bear with me as I try and work out the best route and format for me, but so far, this is where we're at. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's only short and sweet. Hopefully it lets you know what's to come, what to look forward to. And with the channel edging ever so close to 100k subscribers, I cannot wait to carry on this journey with you guys. So thank you very much for watching. I really cannot wait to see you in the next video. As I said, drop a comment down below and I shall see you in the next video. Peace.
Shout out to all my Patreons out there. Thank you for supporting. It really helps the channel grow.